Hello class, welcome to the part 2 video for your chapter 8 in your FA1. So in this section, we are going to learn the concept for income, which is collection of income in arrear and collection of income in advance. So we start from in advance. So this is scenario 5. So in this scenario 5, let's see what happened. Total commission income earned during the year is 48,000. However, the company has received 50,000 during the year. So scenario 5. By right, or we call the originally, we should receive 48,000 commission income earned 48. However, we have collect the actual collection. Actual collection is how much? 50,000. So from here, we find out that we are collect more or we collect less. The answer is we collect more by 2,000. Income collect more. So when you have a income collect more situation, this is called collection in advance. And what is the nature of collection in advance? Collection of in advance is our current liability under statement of financial position. Why collection of in advance is our liability? Because you have to pay back in future. You are required to pay back to others in the future, or only utilize this amount in future. So if you require to pay, this is our liability, and this is current liability under statement of financial position. So let's see what is the double entry for this scenario 5. So scenario 5, commission income account and the collection of commission income in advance account. So we start from the collection. Collection is we debit the bank account and we credit to the commission income account, 50,000. But we know that there are 2,000 which is collection in advance. So we have to debit the commission income account and we write collection of commission income in advance. We debit the commission income account and we credit to collection in advance account. We write 2,000 here. So next we can do the closing. For the commission income account, the closing is on the debit here. We write income statement 48,000. So we have balanced it, the commission income account. For the collection of income, commission income in advance, in order to balance it, we have to write balance CD on the debit side. And the amount is 2,000 here. So we closing carried down on the debit and brought down is on the debit, credit, sorry. So if your brought down is on the credit, this is a liability. So what is the double entry for our for our income collection in advance? We debit the income account, which is under your income statement, and we credit to collection in advance. This is your current liability under statement of financial position. So this is the double entry when you have collection of income in advance. Next, the next situation is collection of income in arrear. Commission of income in arrear. So scenario 7, rental income per month is 3,000. However, the collection of rental income during the year is only 30,000. So let's explain this situation. So we have situation 7 now, and this is for the rental income. So what is the by right amount? By right, our income is 3,000 per month. 1 year we have 12 months, so the collection should be 36,000. But the actual collection is only 30,000. It means that we have a difference by 6,000, right? This 6,000 is income collect less. When you have a situation called income collect less, this we call collection in area. And what is the nature of collection in area? This is our current asset under statement of financial position. Why we say that this commission in area is our current asset? Because this amount you will collect in future. You will still collect this amount from your tenant, so this is your current asset. So let's look at the ledger to see how we record this collection of rental income in area. So this is the ledger. So we start from the collection. We debit the bank account and then we credit to rental income. We collect 30,000 here, and we have a 6,000, which is collection of rental income in area. We credit the rental income account, and then debit goes to correction of rental income in area account. 6,000. And then we can close both ledger. Rental income is our income, so we use income statement to do the closing. 36,000. Next, for the rental income in area, we balance CD on the debit side, credit side, 6,000. And then this amount we will bring to next financial year, because this amount can be collected in future. We balance BD on the debit side. If your balance BD is on the debit, this is your asset. So let's indicate what is the double entry when you have a collection of income in area. So we debit the collection of income in area. This is your current asset under statement of financial position. And then we credit the rental, we credit the income account, and this income account is under income statement. So this is the double entry when we record collection of income in area. And for the scenario 6 and 8, we will practice in our live section. And that's all for chapter 8 video. And if you have questions, you can leave me a message by email or in LMS. That's all for this chapter 8 video. Thanks for watching.